Hey guys, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which of course means another color. Today I am going to be demonstrating how I made this beautiful creamsicle nude. Oh my gosh, I paired her with a liner and then I put some gloss on top, and that even made it even more stunning. I cannot wait to show you guys Beijing. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Alright gang, so to the bowl goes in my world famous base. You can get her from Veryveelobeauty.com. And for the full batch recipe as well as the tester recipe that I'm making right now, you can join me on my Patreon for a small monthly pledge of $5. I would love to have you there. Next, I'm going in with this white pigment, titanium dioxide, and I'm just folding that in to that base like so. Next, I'm going in with my FD&C Yellow number 5, alum-lake, and with my rubber spatula, I'm just going to work it in first and then follow right behind it with my hand mixer. Now I'm coming in with the red 27 alum-lake, aka pink, to establish that creamsicle undertone that is really gonna bring some bright elements to our nude, some warm elements to our nude, just like so. Now I'm going in with some brown oxide to neutralize or to make our product nude. And I am just going to blend that in with my hand mixer. I just want to put a little disclaimer out there, you guys. Do not use any cracked glass bowls. I realized after I had started mixing that this bowl was indeed cracked. Make sure you protect yourself and your customers. Now I'm going in with some red 27 and some yellow number 5. Just to brighten it up some more, because the brown did kind of dim the creamsicle colors that we originally started with. And of course, to make this product matte, I'm going in with some Kaolin Clay. And what I'm going to do is fold that clay into that bowl really well until I form that of a paste. And once you have this consistency, you know you are on the right track. And now we have to correct this texture by going in with Isododecane Remix, which you can grab from my website, Veryveelobeauty.com. And I'm just gonna mix that in really good with the hand mixer first. And then I went one more round around that bowl with my rubber spatula, filled up my syringe from the top, added a pipette, and I am now filling the bottle. You see how much space I left? That is very imperative so that you can be able to do this. Put your wand in with ease without the stopper rising back up. And there you have it. We have once again made a matte lipstick, and here I am just lining my lips so that I can bring some contrast to this particular lip color, because this nude is very light for my skin tone. So I just want to make this work for me. So I line my lips, and what I'm doing is I'm applying very minimal, because as you can see, it is very opaque and the coverage is there. So I just blotted it out, and this is what happened, and I am in love. This color came out absolutely stunning. I love the way it looks on me, and it is by far one of my favorite nudes in my collection. And there you have it, paired with a clear gloss on top. Simple, elegant, and pretty. I am so grateful for you guys for stopping by and spending time with me and allowing me to share my gift with you. I appreciate all of your support. I appreciate all of my patrons. I appreciate every subscriber. You guys, thank you so much for your consistent love and support. For now, I will see you guys later. Love you.